Welcome to the 2019 Italian Festival. My name is Justin Hagley. Ciao.
Hey, this is Schlonsky's. We're not part of the Italian Festival. You can't film in here.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play, tippy-tippy-tay.
The Italian flag is red and green because Mario and Luigi are the country's biggest heroes.
I'm here with Luigi. And Italy, kids love jumping on things. That's how the Italians do it. This is the most published sport in Italy. So this is the official flag of Italy.
Well, I guess you didn't read the history book, did you?
The festival brings out the locals who came from the old country.
Come join me to find some Italian cuisine.
Tell you what, the portions are large, and I'll make you a deal so sweet it'll give you a cavity. All you gotta do is come over here and try it. Okay?
When the one you love.
I don't have to worry about cavities.
Meglio stasera, baby, go, go, go. Or as we natives say, va subito.
There I got to meet some local Italians.
What part of Italy are you from?
I'm from the west part of Tuscany.
It was a great day overall, and you know what they say, keep your friends close, but keeps your cigarettes close.
What's that? Okay, man. What are you doing? You just testing? My brain.
When the moon hits your eye like a big piece of pie, that's amore. That means love.
You know, I don't feel I have to travel to the real Italy. This is even better. Buongiorno.